Meaning of Eva Turner.
Eva Turner.
Eva Turner.
Eva Turner.
Eva Turner. Eva Turner was an English operatic soprano born in 1892. She is best known for her exceptional voice and her performances in the late 1920s and 1930s, particularly in Wagnerian roles. Turner's vocal range, power, and clarity earned her a reputation as one of the greatest sopranos of her time. She continued to perform into the 1950s and later became a vocal teacher, influencing many young singers. Eva Turner remains a beloved figure in the world of opera, remembered for her stunning voice and contributions to the art form.